We are on the roof of the Surf Club condo complex. You've seen pictures of this roof before on my videos. But when I saw this thing and the fan came on, I could not believe that it's still running. Now this is one of those cases where I say don't touch it. Run it till it dies. Because she's well on her way.
And hurricane straps don't work real well when they're totally rusted through.
Yeah.
There's all the way around the hurricane straps.
Yeah.
Completely rusted through.
Yes, we are ocean front. This is what happens to them. Buy a cheap one. Let's see how many more we can find bad.